All right, so with your spreadsheet, we went over different things. What I noticed was like Jamboard. You guys have a ton to say about Jamboard. You had a little to say about Gmail. So just go through these and kind of look over what other people said too. With the next activity, let me find it. There it is. I'm gonna unhide it because I didn't want any of those type A cheaters out there getting ahead of me. Oh, I don't like the yellow. Let me make it blue, maybe. You're going to be working with a group. I think I'm going to shuffle it up so you're with a new person, but you're going to need this Google slideshow. You're going to make a copy, one person in your group. So not everybody's going to make a copy, so don't click that yet unless you want a template of it. But one person is going to make a copy in your group. And again, I'm probably going to shuffle the group so you're not with the same people, and that way you can have some new conversations, or if you didn't like the people in your group, you get an opportunity to have some new faces. And so this is called Iron Chef. John Carippo, he wrote a book called Edu Protocols, and this was one of the protocols inside of it. And so we want to hear as a group kind of what you learned. So we're going to do this really quick activity. You get 15 minutes to create an Iron Chef activity with your group. So you're going to put all of the names of your group in this box. And then you're going to compete on different activities. So the first one is use of Google products. You and your team are going to talk about how you use Google products and come up with one really creative way, okay, to share with the group. You must provide one example in an innovative way of how you're using Google products in your school. And you can add images, you can add text, whatever you want to do to this slide, but you must have one example of using an innovative practice. The next one is you're going to share a success story. So if somebody in your groups has a success story, provide that here, and then you're going to provide an audio file. So that audio file could be you talking, it could be a sound effect, it could be anything. Get creative with your group. And then you're going to share a challenge. This one's going to include a GIF and a possible solution or a workaround. So get really creative on this one. What is a problem that your teachers might have, or what's a problem that you have? And then come up with a GIF and a possible solution for that problem. On this slide, you're going to talk about how can you build the capacity so other people can use Google tools. And you're going to provide a video. Maybe your group's going to create the video really quick, or maybe you're going to find one on YouTube. Okay, again, you only have 15 minutes, so they're not going to be the prettiest of slides. And then what can Google tools provide our students? And you're only going to use the Noun project. So Noun project is icons, and you're not allowed to use anything other than these icons on this slide, okay? And you're going to be shuffled in your groups, and you get 15 minutes with your group. And then we're going to come back together, and one person from each group is going to share out. You get 1 minute to share. So we'll see how many slides we go through, but there's 18 different groups, so we're just going to quickly share out. If there's any questions, go ahead and put them in the chat. But I'm excited to see what you guys kind of come up with for different solutions. And I know some of you have to leave to go back into class, so that's totally fine. Any questions?
Stephanie, this is Star Dilbush, and I'm not able to access the link. It keeps saying audience published. It's too large of a document.
Oh, okay. I was like, it should force a copy. Let me see if it will. Okay, go ahead and try to click now. Does it work? In the chat.
Oh, I'm sorry. It was an issue with my window.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. And I'm going to shuffle the groups again so you're not with somebody that you might not enjoy working with. And I'm going to do 15 groups, I think, instead of 18 this time. All right, here we go.